Greetings to the viewers. I am Farhat Sultana. I am an intern at ubAdvocate. Being a part of my task, this video is making about the right to education during pandemic. Education is a human right and a fundamental right. Education is a basic requirement for the overall development of human being. As we all know that our constitution doesn't provide fundamental right before 2010, the right to education, but only a directive principle of state policy was there under Article 45, which states that the state should provide early childhood care and education to all children below the age of 14 years. But in February 2010, the Parliament of India has enacted 86th Amendment in the Constitution and added Article 21A in the Constitution, which states that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children below the age of 14 years. At the same time, Right to Education Act 2009 has been enacted by the Parliament to give effect to Article 21A of the Constitution. But before that, in the case of Mohani Jain versus State of Karnataka, the Supreme Court has laid the foundation of right to education of children as a fundamental right. In another case, in Unikrishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh, the Supreme Court has held that yes, all children have right to education as a fundamental right under Article 21. The India is providing its best in providing and increasing education and literacy rate of India. But suddenly, the novel coronavirus came to India in 2019. With this, online education system also come. A country like India is not prepared for this online education system. As per a report, 247 million children has been affected by this lockdown. Due to this lockdown and sudden shift to online learning, the children is unable to attain these online classes. They have lost their learning capacities. They don't have access to mobile, internet, laptop, computers, etc. And they are not prepared for such thing. With this, the very fundamental right under Article 21 has been violated. And the government has failed in many aspects while providing this online education. They have failed to prepare a plan. They have failed to organize and establish information and communication technological centers in schools so that students can have access to e-readers. The government has failed to provide economic support, which is a major failure of the government, and they don't even reduce the cost of taking online classes. They didn't prepare the teachers as to how they should conduct the classes. This online learning has has affected the children's right, that is midday meals right and the nutrition food rights. And one of the major impact or effect of this online education is that the children has been attached to the online contents, and they have been abused in online. They have exposed to adult content through advertisements. Recently, Delhi High Court in Justice for All NGOs Writ Petition has held that if any school is providing, whether private or government, providing online education, they should make sure that they should provide gadgets and internet facilities to all childrens. And in Shamsudha versus State of Tamil Nadu also, the government of the Supreme Court has clearly held that the right to education should not be restricted only to free and compulsory education, but it should extend to have quality education without any discrimination on the basis of economic, social and cultural background. So with this, we can say that yes, the right of children under Article 21 has been violated. To conclude, I would like to say that though the situation is not same today, but there was a violation, and it has affected the students, mainly the rural students, a lot. And I should recommend, and what we can say that I request the government to make some steps to fulfill this education gap which has violated the Article 21A of the Constitution. Thank you.